Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back. Today, I share one of my favorite recipe that is so dear to me, Buka Stew. It tasted so super delicious and can be enjoyed with white rice or in whichever way you prefer. Try this recipe and you will never stop asking for more, honestly. So, come, let me show you how I prepare this. To begin, we need our fresh tomatoes already blended, cover and bring to a boil, just as you are seeing here on the screen. So here we have our red pepper. Now go ahead and give it a properly wash.
As long as it concern food, as long as it concern kitchen, as long as it concern belle, you know who to call. Obajodo. Food where they wash and cook, na so son.
Now we are done with the washing. Go ahead and cut and deseed the Redbell pepper. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. And to my returning subscribers, I so much appreciate.
MIRA'S kitchen there for you, and there for
At this point, we are done deseeding the red bell pepper. Place in a baking pan lined with parchment paper, okay? This process will take this stew to another level. So I added some onions, some little vegetable oil and placed in the oven and grill for about 10 to 15 minutes, okay? Next, we have our stockfish. Have you tried making your stew with stockfish? If you have not, what are you waiting for? So the stockfish is well cleaned. I poured it into the pot and added some water. Now add some seasoning cube to it. Stir. Cover the pot and allow to cook until the stockfish is softened or well cooked. Some minutes later, I checked on the stockfish. Yeah, it is well cooked now, so take it out and set aside, okay? Back to the tomatoes. It is perfectly done now, okay? Pour into a chiffon cloth or cheese bag, tie it and allow the excess water to drain out. Yeah, just the way you are seeing here on the screen.
so anytime, any place where you dey. MIRA'S kitchen there for you.
Here is the red bell pepper. Yeah, it is properly done. Allow to cool down a bit. Now transfer into a blender and blend until it is smooth, just the way you are seeing here. Yeah. For the protein of choice, I used goat meat. So feel free to use any protein of your choice. The meat is well cooked, set aside. Now let the cooking begin. In a clean pot, I added some vegetable oil and allowed to heat up. Yeah. Once done, I added some salt, chopped onions, rosemary, thyme. Stir until everything is well combined. So I added some ginger and garlic paste and mix and fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. So after 2 minutes now, I added the tomatoes. Yeah, you can see the tomato that we did earlier. The water drained out very perfectly, okay? So now add it and mix until everything is well combined. Stir and keep frying for about 8 minutes. Please keep an eye on it so you don't end up with burnt tomatoes. So after 8 minutes, I added the blended red bell pepper. Mix until everything is well combined and keep frying until the tomatoes reduces in quantity and oil flow to the top of the sauce. At this point, the tomato is done. I now went ahead to season it up with some seasoning cubes.
We stand, you know.
nutmeg powder,
spirit, but whatever it might be,
oregano,
a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen.
curry powder,
I got your back on the
some crayfish. Add to your taste. If you don't love crayfish, skip. Once done, mix until everything is well combined.
Mira's kitchen there for you. And there for
I added some fresh pepper. Add to your taste. Now mix to combine, okay? So the next is the cooked stockfish. Yeah. So mix everything until it is well combined, okay?
Tabi follow. You don't need to bother yourself, my brother. But whatever it might be,
I added the cooked goat meat, okay? Once done, mix everything until it is well combined.
Mira's kitchen there for you. Mira's kitchen there for you.
Add the stock water and keep mixing. If it is too thick, feel free to add more water to it and mix until everything is well combined. Now cover the pot and allow to cook for another 2 more minutes. 2 minutes later, I checked on the stew. It is done. Give it a properly stir. Our Buka stew is ready and can be served or enjoyed with white rice or in whichever way you prefer. Guys, this tasted so super delicious. Hope you try out this recipe, and if you do, let us know what you think in the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you guys in our next one, and remember blessed. Bye.